5 career questions on what he would do if he had a chance to do a creative career. So, do you feel fulfilled by the work that you currently doing the job and you're completely unfulfilled on
Yes,
that?
yes. Actually, before I worked in some other company. I will not mention company name, but I feel like I'm not fit to that place. So that time I felt stressed. The work and all, everything completely easier for me. But I felt like I am not fit there. Recently I resigned and joined my core. Whatever I have skills, I joined back in.
Currently, in the current job, why do you feel like you're fulfilled and you're happy?
Because I'm more comfortable with what I have interested and what I have to like, what I did better in that. So I comfortable because of I already have the skills to manage my work and my life, personal life and all.
Your interests in the current
Yes,
job.
yes.
Interests are aligned. Okay, that's amazing. Thank you. So the second question is, if money was not a concern, what work would you do? Any other profession would you choose?
Other profession. So I interested in mechanism, like any like mechanical things. So yes, like motors and all. From childhood we used to like play with motors and all. So I am in my car also I open cabinet and everything, checking the engines and all. That I interested.
That's your passion.
Yes.
Cars and
Motor side,
and
basically
mechanical
not
side.
cars, motor repairing and all.
So like tweaking and
Yes.
fixing the
Yes.
So the third question is, do you think people suppress their creativity because of the career pressure? Because should each one have certain level of career goal? Because of that pressure, do you think
As of now, it's not going to happen. Earlier, it's happened. For example, so in my time, like my parents is not that much capable to invest time and money with the children and all. For example, me and my brother. So they cannot able to invest money to wait for to reach that goal, whatever I'm interested. So that time we are the part of the family financial things. So we left our things and all and came back to our support to our family and all. I think most of the people like they left their passion and all and go to our like support to family things and all. So now, but it is adjusted now. New generation is, I think they are happy because fathers and all mothers they are now they are understood what is career, not job is and all, not career, and what they have to do, then how they will succeed, what to support them from basics. They are supporting. I think they are blessing. Yes.
what is one passion or talent you have put into your life and you want to like start with the talent?
I told you earlier, I'm passionate about motors and all. I want to like like EV. Now EV is there. Like we at the time of my graduation time only we think about that EV, and if the EV happens and we adjusted motor to work with the EV like battery side. We did that earlier also. So if goes forward, maybe with air also, maybe in future it will come. Now I am telling, but it happens. Yes.
So get high temperature or something.
Correct.
The last question is, what does a meaningful career mean? Is it money or is it time or happiness? What is it?
Yes, see, money is the concern. We are we have to survive now. So money is always be on top of the thing. But apart from that money, our soul should also feel better and comfort always. Otherwise, money will come that our soul is not happy and we are not comfortable there. So ultimately, we will feel stressed. So money is on top of it, but choose the money where you feel happy and comfort. So that will be my thing. Even I am also doing the same. I left and came back again my goal. Everything now I am very happy. I'm just walking other